back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I thought I'd switch it up a bit and do a vlog. So I'm going to somewhere that's really nice with cakes and teas and stuff like that, so I thought I'd bring you along. If you're new here, like and subscribe and keep watching. And welcome back to the second part of this video. So this part of the video is going to be all about the Glossybox birthday box. It is their 9th birthday and it's also their August box. So let's just get into it. So the first thing you've been given is their new skincare range of the eye cream. So it just wants to focus. It's not going to focus, but it helps to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, which is really good because I tend to need that help. Also, I love Molten Brown. They've got a Molten Brown shower gel, which is 50ml, and it's a delicious rhubarb and rose shower gel, which is good, and that's usually tended for, I think it is £22. So again, that's really good. So another product I've seen is the Brushworks, and it's a complecting sponge. So everybody loves a sponge. So that is worth £5.49, so again that's good for the price of the box. Another one I'm shocked to see, and I love Huda Beauty, that is one of their lip products. So this one is Demi Matte and it's in the I'll just put it on there because I can't pronounce that. It doesn't want to focus, but obviously if you've got the box you'll know which one I mean. Also a Steve Laurent, and that one is a lip pencil. So sorry, the other Huda Beauty thing is worth £18. So this lip product is £12.09, which again is worth it. And obviously they've advertised their calendars for this year, the advent calendars, which it says it's going to be out on the 8th of September. I can't wait to purchase that because it'll be the first time I've ever seen this. Right. So that is the next video done. So leave a like and a subscribe and I'll be back with another video.